Hey guys, it's me again, back to you with another video. Now, it appears that the Sony WH-1000XM4 might be arriving a lot sooner than we think. According to this leak by the Walkman blog, a short time ago, Best Buy listed the WH-1000XM4 on their website, but shortly after had the listings taken down. Now, the listings may no longer be there, but we have now obtained the actual marketing graphics of the XM4 headphones. The pictures revealed some very interesting things about the XM4, but before I get into the pictures, I want to talk about what else we now know about the XM4s because of this leak. Number one, it appears that the XM4s may not have a smaller speaker driver compared to the XM3s like we predicted before. The Best Buy listing reveals that the XM4s will have the same 40mm speaker drivers as the XM3s. It also confirmed some things that we already knew about the XM4s from previous leaks, like the fact that it's got Bluetooth 5.0 support and the fact that it supports multiple voice assistants, including Siri, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa. But something else that the listing revealed is its price. It confirms that the XM4s will retail for $349.99, exactly the same price point as the XM3s when it first came out. So now we're going to look at the pictures of the XM4. At first glance, it looks exactly the same as the XM3, right down to its finishing, its color, but if you look closer, it appears that the XM4's cushions will be thicker, more plush, and I suspect that this is to give it an extra level of noise isolation. Effective noise cancellation always begins with effective noise isolation, and I think that this is meant to increase its noise isolating power rather than to add more comfort, because the XM3s were already very comfortable to begin with. So to me, the only possible reason why they would increase its padding is to give it extra noise isolating power, but that's just what I think. I can't wait to try it when it gets here. We can also see that the ambient button has now changed to the custom button. Now, what will the custom button do? My guess is that it allows you to toggle to your custom ambient sound pass-through settings. Could be more than that, but we'll just have to see when more information becomes available. So this is the XM4 in various folded positions. It folds exactly the same way as the XM3s. This is it in the case. Again, very similar. Here's the XM4 in beige. Side view. Yeah, so it looks exactly like the XM3s. Not much change in terms of the overall design and aesthetics, but I'm quite interested to see how the thicker cushions will impact noise cancelling performance. This is so exciting. I think the XM4s are legit gonna be launched very soon. I mean, if people like Best Buy already have the stock photos of the XM4s, this means that they might already be holding on to some inventory perhaps. I know many of you who are watching this video have been waiting for this for a very long time, but sadly this is all I have for today. Once I get my hands on more information, such as an actual launch date, I will come back to you with another video. So if you want to be among the first to know when the XM4s will be launched, hit subscribe and ring the notifications bell, because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. So all you gotta do is just to subscribe and ring the notifications bell so that you never miss another XM4 related video from this channel. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please show that you like this video by punching that like button with a vengeance, Bruce Lee style, and sharing this video with your friends and family. I'll see you again, bros and sisters, in the next one. If you're a humble person like me, this shirt is a great way to show your friends how humble you really are. And whenever you look in the mirror, to admire yourself of course, it will also help to remind you to always be humble. So guys, this is a pretty fun shirt to wear. You can check it out in the link below. It's available in t-shirt, tank top, and hoodie. Your purchase helps keep this channel going, and I appreciate your support, bros.